Alright, so we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to sharpen NanoGlide. As you saw in my review, it's a blade that has been polished over 400 times and coated with a nano coating for excellent edge retention. So we're going to go ahead and clamp it on here. We have to cross grind off the black off the bottom of the blade. Immediately we notice there's not much of a spark. Wow. I don't know if you can get that, but barely taking any off. Keep on going. As you can see, getting more sparks is getting actually to the stainless. The 6 passes so far. Coming off in some spots, but not much. Still chipping away at it. Wow. I think that's 9. About 11. Say a couple more. Maybe 2 more. I think you can work with this, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the sharpening.